Metal voltage and stud detectors should be used when drilling, cutting or nailing into walls, floors or ceilings that may contain electrical wires or metal pipes to avoid any unnecessary damage or injury. They're also used to detect studs or battens should you need to fix anything to your walls. In this video, we'll be using the Sealey 3-in-1 metal voltage and stud detector. To start, remove the battery cover on the back of the unit and install a 9-volt battery. To set the voltage and metal detector, rotate the knob fully downwards. Now move the selector switch to the AC voltage metal detector position. Rotate the knob upwards until the red LED illuminates and the buzzer sounds. Slowly reverse the knob downwards until the indicators go off. The unit is now ready to use. The red LED and continuous buzzer tone will come on when a metal object is in the vicinity. A red blinking LED and bleeping sound will come on if a current carrying conductor is detected. To set the stud detector, turn the unit over and hold the face marked stud vertically against your wall. Now turn the knob fully downwards, then move the switch to the stud detector position. Rotate the knob upwards until the red LED and buzzer come on. Now slowly reverse the knob downward until the buzzer stops and only the green LED is illuminated. Slowly move the unit across the wall. When the edge of a batten or stud is under the unit's groove, the red LED will come on and the buzzer will sound. Mark this position and resume the movement across the wall. When the red LED light and buzzer go off, mark the position again. These marks indicate the edges of the batten or wall stud. The midpoint of the two marks indicate the center point of the stud. To locate horizontal battens or studs, rotate the unit 90 degrees and scan vertically up and down the wall. It's possible to fine-tune the unit using the trimmer adjustments for greater accuracy. Details of these can be found in the instructions. For our other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.